Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to share with you today is an original recipe that I created. The inspiration for this dish came from an Indian cuisine. I've made this dish multiple times and it's always a hit amongst my family and friends. I promise you'll love it too. Join me, let's create another magic in the kitchen. We'll be using 1.5 kilogram of fresh chicken, well cleaned, 1 cup vegetable oil, 8 to 10 stems of spring onions, more of the white parts, 1/4 kilogram minced peppers. Use pepper according to your heat tolerance level. 4 to 5 stems of ginger, 1 bulb of onions, 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon rosemary, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 2 tablespoons curry powder, half tablespoon salt. Now we are going to make a marinade for the chicken because we'll be marinating the chicken before cooking. Add all the ingredients into the blender. Blend to make a paste. Use about 3 cooking spoons or 1.5 cup of the paste to marinate the chicken. Reserve the rest of the paste. Cover it and let it marinate for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight. We'll start cooking by pouring 1 cup of vegetable oil into a clean, dry, heated pan. Add 1 cup chopped onions. Stir to saute the onions until it's translucent. Add 2 tablespoons curry powder. Stir intervally while it cooks for about 2 minutes so the spice will release its flavor. This smells so nice. Now add the marinated chicken. Add about 1 cup of the reserved marinade paste. Stir, cover and allow to cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Let's check on it. This is looking good already. No need to tell you the amount of flavor packed in this dish. Allow it to cook further for another 10 minutes. This helps the flavor to develop fully. Can you see how this is looking? It's time to add some liquid. I'll be rinsing the paste bowl with about 1.5 cup of water. I'll add the liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning powder, half tablespoon of salt. Stir it very well. Cover and allow it to simmer for about another 10 minutes. This is looking sumptuous already. We'll now add 3 cups of coconut milk. I'm using canned coconut milk. Stir, cover and allow to continue cooking for up to 15 minutes. This will ensure that our chicken is well cooked and the liquid reduces. Now add the green part of the spring onions. Our curry is ready. Serve with white boiled rice. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this our original recipe. There you have it, a sumptuous chicken curry. Another delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching today. See you soon. Bye.